TP-Link wire-free 2K smart security camera, sold by Amazon.com. Introducing the Tapo by TP-Link wire-free MagCam, a versatile security camera for both indoor and outdoor use. Experience the ease of installation with its wire-free design, making setup a breeze. The camera's magnetic mount allows for flexible placement on any metal surface, indoors or outdoors. Enjoy peace of mind with its IP66 weatherproof rating, ensuring durability in various weather conditions. The 2K resolution provides crystal clear video quality, capturing every detail with precision. Starlight Color Night Vision ensures clear footage even in low light conditions. Advanced detection features can identify people, pets, and vehicles, reducing false alarms. Choose between SD card or cloud storage for your video recordings, offering flexible storage options. Connect seamlessly with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for reliable and stable performance. The 1000 mAh battery offers up to 300 days of usage on a single charge. For continuous power, the optional Tapo A200 solar panel provides non-stop energy. High-efficiency solar cells convert sunlight into electric energy, keeping your camera powered. The solar panel's IP65 weatherproof rating ensures durability against rain and dust. With just 30 minutes of sunlight daily, your camera remains operational without manual charging. Monitor your property effortlessly with the Tapo app, providing real-time alerts and remote access. Enhance your home security with the Tapo wire-free MagCam, combining convenience, reliability, and advanced features. Rated 4.3 stars,